Look at this.
It's Chatsworth.
This is reminiscent of entering Ireland.
Is this, what's it? Is this where they film things like, did they film Bat?
Hello?
Google's decided to...
I'm getting fragments of what's going on here, but I think Google's took over his intercom.
Are you there?
Hello?
Hello?
Are you done talking to Google?
No, it's flipping annoying me. I've got things up on the screen now.
Technology, it's a glitch in the simulation.
That's correct. It's a glitch.
Anyway, Chatsworth. Where is it? Chatsworth House.
Like I say, did Batman? One of the Batmans be filmed here?
Oh.
Is it Wayne Manor or something? Or is it Downton Abbey or something daft like that?
You might actually be right, you know. It could
Sure
be.
You'll find that out.
Maybe it's a real Batcave underneath, if it is. Oh, there it is. Chatsworth House, folks. There you go.
Looks like Wayne Manor, doesn't it?
It does. It looks a bit like Laura Croft's house as well. You remember that?
Oh, yeah. Ah! Was it Tomb Raider that were done here? Or was that another one? Just did the bat symbol coming up there, you wanted.
Wait, that's not Tomb Raider, is it then?
No, there's nothing. Alright, Tomb Raider. No.
What are you on about? You're having a conversation with someone else.
No, in Tomb Raider, everything you did, she used to go, no.
No.
Oh, right. She actually says no. Yeah, I know what you're on about now. There it is. Chatsworth House.
Look at your eyes on road.
And that's Chatsworth. That is, we're now leaving Chatsworth. That was one of the landmarks. We're now in Edense. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not going to pretend that I do.
I'll tell you what's annoying me is Google's talking to me while you're talking to me, and it's getting quite annoying.
I bet you feel well popular.
Well, it's the first time people talk to me.
So, the next part of the route, I believe we're going... Is it Ethersiege we're going to go through?
I have no idea. You plan the route, mate.
Hey, that's a nice house.
All I'm going to say is, yeah, it's a class. It's
got-
like a little castle.
It's got a watchtower.
Watchtower, what a record. We've got a convoy behind us.
Yeah, I know. I'm not actually holding them up. It's these other people, so I'm not.
Rubber duck.
Rubber duck?
Rubber duck.
Where?
That's the call sign in convoy.
Oh, rubber duck, like 10-4 Big Bear. I've got a.
Yeah.
It's a song, isn't it?
Yeah. 10-4 rubber duck.
That's an old film. That's a 70s film, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It is the same era as your favourite.
Our favourite. Oh, the.
I can't do it like you can. I can't. You see, it's that good. I might get a copyright strike again.
But that's not my favourite. My favourite from the 70s, without a shadow of a doubt, is the man, the myth, Steve Austin, the $6 Million Man, not the wrestler.
I just need to like zoom in on one of your body parts with the rear camera now and just go. Steve Austin, the $6 Million Man. That is actually quite good, to be honest. To say that it's predates me by almost 3 decades.
Yes.
It is. It's far better than a lot of the ramble you have on telly nowadays, anyway.
I was very happy to receive the full box set on Blu-ray for my 50th birthday. That was quite stoked about that.
The $6 Million Man, wasn't it? It was in Germany.
Yeah, because it's only available on Blu-ray in German. Where that one at? It's an American TV show. The only Blu-ray version is in German.
That is pretty shocking.
And the quality, the picture quality is phenomenal, to be fair. It's like it's just been filmed.
Is, what's his face still alive? I can't remember his name now.
Oh, Lee Majors?
Lee Majors?
He certainly is.
Is he? He must be old
Yes.
now. He must have been about 30 or 40 in $6 Million Man.
I think he was in his 40s, yeah.
We're going to be taking a left here.
Roger that.
Yeah, I was going to say, he must be flipping old. Oh, beat that transit van.
I'll catch you up.
Oh.
Oh, he's going round. He's going round. Now Ian. He was indicating to go round. But your winker's on.
What, right round?
His winker was saying he was going...
You
Flipping Google, shut up.
You missed my cue for a classic record.
What, by Doctor and the Medics? No, it's not Doctor and the Medics, is it? It was. It'll come to me in a sec. Don't say.
I won't. I'm sure you'll remember.
Dead or Alive.
Dead or Alive. That's it. So.
Which is also a quote from some movies that I used to like. RoboCop, Dead or Alive. You're coming with me.
No.
Google, shut up.
I can't hear your Google, so none of the viewers will either. Anyway, we are currently going through the village of antisocial motorcycling. That's the village name. It's.
It is now.
I've got a feeling that it's Heather Siege, but I could be wrong. Although that sign says Baslow Hall, so it could be Baslow.
As soon as we get to a traffic lights, I've got to switch Google off. It's doing my head in.
How can you switch Google off? It's always listening.
No, it's the maps.
All right.
It's telling me. It's like as if it thinks I've set a destination and it's annoying me.
Right then, we're in Calver now.
Yeah, it's telling me to turn.
Turn where?
I don't know. It's just flipping planned its own route. Like got a village fate going on there.
A village what?
Fate.
What's that?
Not like a punch up, like a fate. A fate. F-E-T-E.
F-E-T-E.
Fate.
I have not a clue what you're on about.
No, it's telling me to turn onto Donkey Lane.
Is that where my bike was built?
You've never heard of a village fate?
A village fate? Well, no, I wasn't born in the 17th century, was I?
Oh my days.
They don't educate you that sort of stuff at school these days.
No, it's where you have stalls and people go and they sell things and buy things and cake stalls and things like that. What would you call that?
A cake sale.
Village fate. Get on the marketplace of the village and set your stalls up and everybody comes round, dance round the maypole and all that kind of stuff.
Flipping out. That sounds not my cup of tea.
It's still got, looks like it's got, I've just stopped the flipping navigation.
If you're paying attention, there's a sign over there that says EAM Historic Village.
It does say Historic Village, and there's a spoon, knife and a fork.
You've had your breakfast, you're not having another one.
Picking ice cream.